In this video, I'll guide you through how to add line numbers in Microsoft Word. Whether you're preparing a document for legal purposes, coding, or simply want to keep track of line numbers for reference, this feature can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word document. Once you have it open, look towards the top of the screen where you'll find the ribbon. The ribbon is a series of tabs that contain different tools for editing your document. For our purpose today, we need to head over to the Layout tab. This tab is where you'll find various options related to the layout and formatting of your document. Once you're on the Layout tab, you'll notice a section labeled Line Numbers. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Line Numbering Options. This takes us to the Page Setup window, where we can make more specific changes to our line numbering settings. In the Page Setup window, you'll see several tabs across the top. Make sure you're on the Layout tab here as well. This might seem a bit repetitive, but it's crucial to ensure that you're in the right section for the next step, which involves clicking the Line Numbers button. This button will open another window specifically for line numbering. Once you're in the Line Numbers window, you'll see an option to add line numbers to your document. To do this, simply check the box next to Add Line Numbering. This action will enable line numbers throughout your document, but we can customize this further to suit your needs. Now let's talk about adjusting the settings. The first option you'll see is labeled Start At. This is where you can set the initial number for your line numbering. By default, this is usually set to 1, but you can change it if you need to start from a different number. This can be particularly helpful if you're continuing from a previous section or document. Next, you'll find the Count By option. This setting allows you to decide how frequently line numbers should appear. If you want to number every single line, you can leave this set to 1. However, if you prefer to number every second, 5th, or 10th line, you can adjust this setting accordingly. For instance, setting it to 5 will number every 5th line, showing numbers at 5, 10, 15, and so on. This feature is particularly useful for longer documents where numbering every line might become overwhelming. Finally, there's the From Text option. This setting lets you adjust the spacing between the line numbers and your document's text. Depending on your document's layout or your personal preference, you might want the numbers to be closer to or further from the text. Adjusting this spacing can enhance the readability of your document, making it visually more appealing and easier to follow. And there you have it. You've successfully added line numbers to your Microsoft Word document. These simple steps can make a world of difference in organizing and referencing your work. Remember, you can always go back and adjust these settings if needed, tailoring them to fit any future document you might be working on. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for your Microsoft Word endeavors.